Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel today. In today's video, I'll be showing you how exactly you can make money using Twitter. Ever since Elon Musk's purchase of Twitter, there has been an huge opportunity, a breakthrough application which can get you traffic in 5 to 10 minutes and which turns into $197 per sale using applications such as ClickBank, WarriorPlus, JVZoo, and more. If you want to learn about this cloud-based application, I will advise you to see this video until the end, because in this video I'll be showing you exactly how you can use this application and the bonuses you will get if you decide to purchase this application. So if you are new on this channel, this is a channel whereby I talk about digital tools you can use to make money online or digital tools you can use to improve your online business. So stay tuned and I'll be right back.
Right here in the world, me with you all alone. It's like a dream come true. I want you right here in the world. Me with you all alone. It's like a dream come true.
Now, what is Twitter Bucks? Since engagement on Twitter is exploding right now, Twitter Bucks allows you to tap into this opportunity and you can get free and quality traffic in any niche imaginable. That means you can be an affiliate marketer of any product, you can be an email marketer, you can be into health and you need to sell some products, you can be into makeup and kits and you want to sell your product, you can be into anything and you want to sell anything. Twitter Bucks allows you to get quality traffic into any niche that you are, and you are going to make sale just like we are making sale using this cloud-based application. Now, this is what you get from using Twitter Bucks. The first benefit of using Twitter Bucks is that you don't have to have any Twitter followers. You can start from the scratch. The second is you get access to 330 million users, Twitter users at your fingertips. The third is free traffic in just 5 to 10 minutes. The fourth is dominate platform like ClickBank, WarriorPlus, and JVZoo. And the next benefit is that there is no hidden fee or extra expenses. And there is also free email marketing suite included in this cloud-based application. Now I am going to show you how exactly you can use Twitter Bucks in just 3 simple steps. But before I do that, I'm going to show you the bonuses you will get from using Twitter Bucks. Now, the first bonus deals with playing video games. This is a tutorial that is going to expose to you the special website that you can make $500 per day for playing, $500 per day for playing video games. This is the first bonus, and the second bonus is copy and pasting. This deals with photo pasting, photocopying and pasting, which can make you up to $300 daily, and it is 100% legal. This is going to be for free along with the Twitter Bucks cloud-based application. Now, the third bonus is Google Chrome. This deals with Google Chrome, and if you have Google Chrome on your computer, then you are going to love this bonus because it shows you how you can earn $800 in just 1 hour. So the fourth bonus deals with WhatsApp, and instead of wasting your time on WhatsApp chatting with friends, you can use it positively, and this can make you up to $400 per day with only WhatsApp. And along with Twitter Bucks cloud-based application, you are going to get this bonus for free. Okay, so now let me show you the exact simple step you can run Twitter Bucks when you decide to get them. Very first step, once you launch Twitter Bucks on your computer, is to choose any niche. This is so that you can get truly targeted traffic. Enter anything you want. This could be make money online, it could be weight loss, it could be health, it could be anything. Just make sure you are targeting a direct niche. The step 2 is to generate content. I use the word generate because this is inbuilt. You don't have to write anything. Zero writing is required. All you need to do is the text of your Twitter post. Use the instant content generator to quickly get content in any niche of your Twitter post. Now the step 3 is to pick an image or video. Now you don't have to go to Google to search for an image or go to Google to download a video. All this is inbuilt and you can easily select this image or video from the giant library of eye-catching visuals all inside of Twitter box. Now the step 4 is where the money is made. Now choose from the library of pre-approved affiliate offers from places like ClickBank, WarriorPlus, and JVZoo. Once you do that, whenever somebody takes action on your links, you will receive a commission often around $37 to $197. Now, the step 5 is to publish your masterpiece. No Twitter following is required. Simply hit the enter button on your phone or computer to send your post to Twitter. Hundreds of millions of users will see it and they will take action of whatever you want them to do. Now there's more. This is 100% risk-free. This means that there is 365 days money back guarantee. If you do not like this product or if this product did not do exactly as it has preached, you will have your money refunded back to you, and also you are going to be given $300 for wasting your time. So either way, this is a win-win situation for you. These are some of the people who have used Twitter box and they have left their testimonial here, and they have let's read this. This one says Twitter box is an absolute game changer. I couldn't believe how easy it was for me to get traffic in only 6 minutes after I posted on Twitter. Another one with the name Sam D from Chicago, USA says Twitter box allow me to get 200 free visitors on the same day and turn into $204 in commission. I always love what you put out there, Wesley. Now there are also more testimonial. You can check them out yourself. Do not forget that the link to get into this page is in the video description, so make sure you check out the video description. You can easily get to this place, and of course the price of this Twitter box is nothing less $17, as you have seen here, right here. Although it was selling for $297, and today it is just $19. So make sure you are among the early birds to get this cloud-based application, so you can enjoy the discounted price of $19 before it goes back to $297. So if you like this video and if you want to continue seeing this kind of videos, I want you to hit the like button so that the video can go viral, and I want you to hit on the subscribe button so that you will be among the first to get our new videos whenever we drop them. So I will see you again next week. Stay blessed and God bless you.